everybody, welcome back to Southern Roots. It's Maya, and today I want to talk to you about these Marley twists that I have in my hair. So ever since I decided to go natural, my protective style of choice has always been crochet braids, whether it is curly crochet or Marley twist or box braids that I can crochet in. I love crochet braids. I love the versatility of them, the ease of being able to do them by myself. So I've always strayed away from doing individual braids like this, like Marley braids or box braids, because my grip game is weak. Y'all, my grip game is weak. I have a really hard time starting a Marley twist or a box braid and gripping it to my scalp. I don't know why. People have showed me tutorials. It doesn't matter. I've watched 1,000 YouTube videos. I just have a weak grip game. But this time, over the Thanksgiving break, I decided to try and put some Marley twists in my hair. So I feel like for the first time, I did pretty decent. I'll show y'all a view from the back. So today I just really wanted to show some of my footage of me struggling through putting these Marley twists in my hair. I'll put the deets below on the hair that I used and the edge control and all of that. This is probably, I've had them up for about 3 or 4 days. I think they're a great protective style, especially for this season. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I want to show you that I've completed about 2/3 of my hair off camera. My mom kind of pre-parted my hair for me last night and twisted it a little small twist so that I would be able to come back in, untwist it, and be able to jump right into putting the Marley hair in my hair for these Marley twists. So I'm showing you one of the pre-parted sections and just kind of my process of installing these Marley twists in my hair. So I'm going to start off using Murray's Edge Wax. I feel like it's a pretty good edge control. I've used it before. It has pretty good hold, but also great shine. So I liked that. So I take about a dime size amount, and I'm going to put it around the perimeter of my section, around the parts. One, so that I can kind of be able to see only gather the hair that I want to use in that section. But two, just to make sure that my parts look nice and neat, it helps to put a little edge control around it. I'm also going to use a little Creme of Nature Pure Honey twisting cream. I'm going to use that on the rest of my section of hair. I want to make sure that my hair is very moisturized for this style. Since I'm going to be taking the Marley hair and twisting it with my hair, I want to make sure that my hair stays moisturized during the duration of this style. So I want to saturate my hair with that twisting cream. Then lastly, I'm going to use this Elasta QP olive oil and mango butter glaze. It's a conditioning shining gel. Really, Elasta QP, this glaze doesn't really have a hold. I would kind of create it's very similar to like a regular hold jam, but I want to put it on top of the twisting cream, really just to condense my hair. I air dry my hair. That's how I prepped it for this style. So to help condense it, kind of shrink those strands, since it's kind of puffy, I put that shining gel on top so that while I'm twisting, it won't puff out pretty much. So I'm gathering my hair. I'm using the Jamaican the Equal brand Jamaican twist hair. I really like this hair. I use it for a lot of my protective styles, buns, some other styles that I've done. This is my go-to quote unquote Marley hair that I like to use. So I'm putting some more of that Creme of Nature Pure Honey twisting cream on the Jamaican twist hair as well, because I want to make sure it's kind of a drier, kinky hair, which I want for my Marley twist, but I want to make sure it doesn't suck all the moisture from my hair and that I have pretty good slip when I'm twisting it in combination with my hair. So I'm getting it ready to put the Marley twist in my hair, cutting some of the ends. And as you can see, I'm using 2 pieces of the Jamaican twist braid hair. So I counted, I think roughly there are about 20 pieces that comes in each package. And for my hair, I use anywhere from 2 to 3 pieces. In the middle, my mommy did some pretty big parts. probably on accident. Two probably ready to get done with part of my hair. So they're pretty big, so I use 3 pieces for that. But for the majority of my head, I use 2. So here I am connecting it. I connected it to my hair, braiding it down about 3 or 4 times. Then when I have my hair as the third leg in the middle, I take it and part it in 2 and give a little of my hair to each of the other legs to get ready to twist it. So I try to mix it in with that hair pretty good so it doesn't stick out to get it ready to twist. So I'm also going to use this purple clamp, this purple clip to hold my hair in place while I'm twisting it down. I noticed that when I didn't use the clamp, my hair was kind of twisting at the root because it's not super tight at the root, but also it just kind of helps keep it in place while I'm twisting my hair. So I'm twisting it down. Takes me a little second, and while I'm twisting, I am grabbing a combination, going back and forth between the Murray's Edge Control and the Elasta QP conditioning gel, just to help have good slippage as I'm twisting, but also hopefully to kind of tame my hair and the hair together while I'm twisting as well. So it takes me a little second to twist it down. I won't lie, I kind of am a perfectionist when it comes to 2-strand twisting. Especially with these, I wanted them to look nice. So I was trying to take my time and get a good, strong, tight twist so that once it unraveled, it would still look pretty good and not be too loose. So I'm twisting it down, alternating between that conditioning gel and the Murray's Edge wax as I'm twisting. It's so fun twisting in the bathroom for 6 hours. So generally, I'm jamming the music, listening to a sermon, trying to catch up on Michael Todd's Crazy Face series. So that's what I did most of the time in here. So here I'm getting to the end, and as you can see, one of my legs was a little short of hair. So I just borrowed from the other side to make sure that my twist, I'm able to twist all the way down and it's the same length. Now, if this was me twisting my real hair, 2-strand twisting, I would not borrow from the other side. It creates the ability to have some breakage there when you're untwisting it. But since this is not my hair and I'm towards the end, it's definitely, my hair is all the way up at the top pretty much. I don't mind borrowing from the other side to make sure that I have a pretty even twist. So I try to be diligent and twist all the way to the end. Sometimes I like to be lazy and just stop, but I didn't. I twisted all the way to the end. So that's me completing one twist. As you can see, it's not super tight on my root. Firstly, I told you guys, my grip game is weak. But also, I really didn't want super tight twists, and that's some of the reason why I wanted to do them myself. I really want to keep my edges and everything. I told you I have fine hair, so I like to take care of my hair myself for the most part. So I'm going to repeat that step. I'm going to let you guys look at it without me kind of walking and talking you through it. So same process for this one. So I wanted to jump back in and show you guys me kind of separating the ends of the Jamaican twist hair. So they come in the pre-portioned sections, but the ends are very tight. I'm sure they manufactured it to keep it together. So I make sure to take the ends apart and kind of comb through them so that when I'm twisting it, I'll have a pretty even twist. And the hair is similar to it was like if I was doing my own twist out. You want to make sure that you have the hair combed out all the way through. So that's what I'm doing in that clip. I want to show you guys how I graze the ends of my twist with my scissors as I'm going along, just to get those straggly ends off. Y'all, I have one twist left. Somebody say hallelujah. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and hopefully it'll inspire you to try your own Marley Twists. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe to Southern Roots. Thanks for watching, guys.